Today, I created this vampire character and it's going to be used in a video game I'm planning to make. I think this might actually become the main character, but I'm not completely sure yet. Things can still change. But for now, this is the direction I'm going in. I've also decided to take on a challenge. I want to see if ChatGPT can guide me through the entire process of creating a video game, step by step. The goal is to test how much ChatGPT actually understands, especially when it comes to the bigger picture. How all the different systems connect to build a complete game from start to finish. For this challenge, I won't be using AI to generate content. That means all assets, characters, sound effects, animations, music, everything, will be created either by me or by other people. No generative AI. However, I will use ChatGPT as my guide throughout the entire process. So ChatGPT will be the only AI involved, but purely as a guide. I think this is going to be really interesting. And if you think so too, feel free to follow along and see where this goes. I can't promise it will turn into something big. That depends both on my own skills and on how much ChatGPT is actually able to help. But for now, I've designed this character, which I think turned out pretty good. Feel free to let me know what you think about the character in the comments, and I'd also love to hear your ideas for what could be in the game. Of course, there are some limitations since I won't be using generative AI in this challenge, but I'm still very interested in your ideas. Right now, I'm thinking it will be an action horror game centered around vampires, with cool combo attacks, strong background music and overall high quality visuals with great lighting and detailed, realistic environments. That's the plan for now, but we'll see where it goes. And just to be clear, it's not because I have anything against generative AI. I can understand why some people might feel that way, but personally, I don't. The reason I'm choosing not to use it for this challenge is simply because I believe I learn more by taking on projects like this without relying on it. It forces me to face the challenges directly, and because of that, I will gain a deeper understanding and more experience. So now, the first step is in place, creating my character, which already has a relatively high level of quality. And of course, there's no AI involved in that part. That in itself is something I learned a lot from. So far, I don't really have any clear idea about the story or anything like that, but I think that will come naturally as I build the game. One thing I'm also a bit unsure about is voice acting. If I include it, I'll have to do it myself, and I'm not even sure if I can pull that off. So I might end up leaving it out. But at the same time, I'm also considering including it just to push the challenge even further and really test myself. We'll see what happens. I really hope you'll follow along and see where this goes. And feel free to drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the challenge and what you think about the character. See you in the next one.